Good afternoon. I am Devapam Roy from Autometrix Automation. I am one of the directors. Today we are demonstrating one cell that we have made. We have made it for one of our customers who are into retail and data center framing. Now, this is a Yeshikawa robot which is going to weld several kind of parts. In this picture, we are actually welding cantilever to the plate, and in this picture, we will be welding angle brackets. So we'll start the cell and we'll see how the robot does. Initially, there will be a dry run just to demonstrate the robot's movement, and then it will start welding. So we'll start with the welding process. This fixture is for welding this kind of channels, C channels with some profile, with slots to this kind of plate in a particular position. This channel can be from 300 to 1 meter long. This fixture is designed to accommodate all the parts of that length. Now there may be variations in the size of this channel, for which one needs to just change some components of this fixture, and it is set for the new kind of variant. And this fixture is for welding this kind of part. This is called angle bracket. It's ran from both the sides and we do the welding here. There are 8 such parts in one single fixture. That particular fixture is for this particular angle bracket only. That's all. Thank you.